And we start, of course, with Peter Andersson Ersman. As you can see, Peter is senior scientist at the Research Institute Sweden. And yeah, he will talk about the rise of screen printed electronics, component systems and applications. And we'll give you an overview here. So Peter, with that, the stage is yours.
All right. Thanks a lot, Christoph, for the kind introduction. As you heard, I represent RISE, Research Institutes of Sweden, and I'm going to talk maybe not so much about screen printing as such, but more look beyond and see what kind of things we can do with screen printing, component systems and applications within the field of printed and flexible electronics. Brief agenda, I will present RISE and our lab facility, the Printed Electronics Arena, and then I will talk about these devices that we are manufacturing by only using screen printing. Organic electrochemical transistors, electrochromic displays, a little bit about sensors, and then how we try to combine these components into systems via different kinds of integration. Also mention a bit about different substrates we are using, and also combination with inorganic or silicon-based electronics to form hybrid electronic systems. And of course, a bit about applications where these systems can be used. So RISE, we are Sweden's Research Institute and Innovation Partner, and we are developing new solutions for a sustainable future. And RISE is actually like an umbrella organization, so we are something like 3,000 employees in total, working in a huge variety of different fields within engineering and research. We are located here in Norrköping, the units of printed bio and organic electronics, and we are roughly 35 people. And we also, over the years, have created what we refer to as an ecosystem, mainly together with Linköping University, the Laboratory of Organic Electronics. And there we have created different kinds of spin-off companies, but also some important research centers, for example, the Digital Cellulose Center, and also TreeSearch is another one. And then we also collaborate a bit with different incubators, science parks, and business accelerators for these spin-off activities. So that is a bit about the ecosystem here in the region. So Printed Electronics Arena, or PEA in short, is we consider it as a greenhouse with quite advanced laboratories and equipment for printed electronics. Yeah, I will not talk too much about the equipment as such, but the workhorse, which we use more or less daily, is a semi-automatic DEC Horizon screen printing equipment. It has a quite nice alignment capability. I think the process alignment capability is plus minus 25 micron, and the machine alignment capability is plus minus 12.5 microns. So it's quite nice to, especially for us, since we create a lot of multi-layer devices. You need good registration and so on. Then we also have, for a bit larger volumes of manufacturing, we have an automatic printer line called Atmatic. And then we also have a very simple manual ECRA equipment for, it's more for testing inks and so on. And of course, we do other things as well, not only screen printing. And so in the lab facility, we also have different kinds of inkjet printers, aerosol printers, coating and lamination equipment. We also have laser equipment for cutting and patterning of different materials and substrates. We have pick and place equipment for the assembly of hybrid electronic circuits. Of course, we need to cure the inks that we print, so we have photonic curing, but also heat, ultraviolet, and near-infrared curing equipment. And of course, we also have electrical and optical characterization equipment for the devices we are creating. So why and what is printed electronics? I guess you know, most of you know the answer, but printed electronics is very briefly is about depositing, insulating, semiconducting, and conducting materials from solution in order to create various kinds of devices and systems. Electronically controlled devices, I should say. Many people